What's going on YouTube? This is Jabber Tech. We're doing another case review for your LG G8. You want to keep your brand new phone looking fresh, looking clean, and of course protected for the long haul. Speck has you covered. This is their Presidio Grip Case, and it's something that a lot of people like. It offers you a lot of grippiness, and it's a nicely designed case with a lot of protection. Let's get into it and check it out together. Just taking a look at the packaging before we go ahead and open it up. You get that 10 feet drop tested protection here. So unless you're a giant, this is actually going to protect you from mostly any drop that you happen to have. On the back, you get some promotional materials. They're just trying to push their case. It's their most protective slim case. And again, at 10 feet of protection, that's actually really good, guys. So you have a tough shell and soft layer inside. Protect your screen with the raised bezels. And then why a lot of people like these Speck cases, you have the grips on the side. A lot of these phones are super slippery, and a lot of these cases are super slippery as well. But enough talk, let's go ahead and take this out. Just take a look at this case before we actually put it on the device. Here's this grippiness that a lot of people like, and it really does help you just to keep your phone in your hand. You have a little company logo right on the top here. And you can see the grippiness extends to the edges of the phone as well, so that's actually pretty good. It's not just on the back. It's also on the sides here, so that'll help you also with that grip protection. And then on the inside, you have a little company branding, and you have this little skeleton on the inside to help with a little drop protection, a little shock protection. Goes all around the case. Let's go ahead and pop in the phone. And this is it. Taking a look at the front, you have a nice amount of protection here. So you can see that raised lip protection. That goes all the way around and gives you 360 type of protection. On the sides, there's your power button, and they're super easy to press. These buttons are probably one of the easiest I've been able to press, but by no means does that mean mushy. They're really responsive, but they just don't require a ton of effort to press. Cutouts, of course, are perfect. Third-party cables are no problem with this little oversized cutout here. And taking a look at the back of the case, your camera is well protected, and so is your fingerprint scanner. So as we continue looking at the back of the case, you have these grip stops here that extend to the edge of your phone, to the sides of your phone. And that's really going to help you if you guys are butterfingers, or maybe you just ate one and your hands are a little bit greasy. You're not going to be able to drop this case because it does offer these stops, and it really does work, guys. So no issues with this. If you need something a little bit less slippery, some cases are pretty slippery, guys. This is a case you might want to look at. And then of course you have another one on the sides here. This will just help with those corner drops. If you happen to drop it on the corner, this will ensure that your phone bounces back without any issue. But let me know what you think about the Speck case. I think it's a pretty cool case, guys. For those of you that need something a little bit grippier than the average case, this is the one to look for. I really appreciate you watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.